Welcome to Business Analytics Fundamentals. Today, we are going to cover the different types of data that you need to take into consideration before you begin your analysis. It's important to understand the different types of data so you can use that data to find insights that will help you make better decisions. Let's start off by defining some basic terms. First, we have a variable, which is a characteristic of an item or individual like gender. Other examples include the number of family members you have, or income, or sales. Then we have data. Data is defined as the set of individual values associated with a variable. Lastly, statistics. Statistics are the methods that help us transform data into something useful. When we're classifying data, there are two main categories to consider. The first is categorical, also known as qualitative data. These are data referring to things like yes or no questions, those on marital status, or things like political party. Categorical is usually nominal in that it has no order. For instance, the color of a product or the color of a house. Categorical data can sometimes be ordinal where there's some hierarchy to the data. As an example, let's use military ranks. Their titles include lieutenant, captain, major, colonel, and general. Or class standing in school, first year, sophomore, junior, senior. The second category is numeric, also known as quantitative, which has two important subcategories. The first is discrete. These are things that you can count, like the number of family members or the number of items sold for a particular product in a business. And continuous. These are things that you measure, like height, weight, income, or sales. A note about money, since we're talking about it. There is a debate as to whether money should be classified as discrete or continuous. For the purposes of this course, I will treat money as continuous. For example, the monthly sales volume of a local food store. Much of the data that is collected today is often categorical. I'm sure you've seen flash surveys on websites. All you have to do is simply check a box or two. It takes very little time. However, that data collected is usually categorical. In our surveys, we prefer numeric data that is continuous in nature if we can get it, as it allows us to perform more sophisticated analysis, which results in better insight and understanding. The next videos will provide further analytic basics that will prepare you for later videos in which we will show you how to perform some of the more sophisticated techniques. Our premise will generally be that you are interested in exploring a new business or business opportunity. I will show you how to perform a variety of statistical tests and analyses that may not make the decision for you, but will provide a much greater insight as to the likelihood of success and perhaps identify potential risks that you may face.